Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing an easy, glowy summer look. And this is what I came up with using a lot of goodies, just things that I've talked about over the years on my channel, products that I trust. And this is the look that we created. If you want to see how I got this easy, glowy look, and if you want it for yourself, definitely keep on watching. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and take my Juicy Couture 2 under eye masks. These have honey extract and collagen from Burlington. These are so cute. So we're going to go ahead and pop these on. Right, there's a look at those. I don't know if you guys saw my shirt. This is so cute. This is the one that I was talking about in my Shein mini haul, as well as the nails. I have the nails on. They're so cute. Next time I will go with medium though. If you guys remember, I got the sizing ones. I got large. These are a little big on my nails, but girl, they're still so cute. I'm also wearing my necklace from my Five Below little portion in my collective haul video. So I'm like sporting today, girl. New stuff. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Revolution Pout lip oil. This is a hydrating lip oil in watermelon, I believe. Oh, this is raspberry pink. That's so cute. So we are going to keep everything nice and hydrated. Love this one. It smells amazing. Love the Big Doe Foot applicator. It's just so good. So anything hydrating is what you want on these types of days when it's really hot outside. I would say apply this before your makeup, but also take it with you in your purse just in case your lipstick wears off. You need something hydrating on the lips. These are amazing from Revolution. Let's get into brows. We're going to do my normal brow routine because I want the brows to stay in place. I want them to last all day. So this is the SHEGLAM Brows on Demand 2-in-1 Brow Pencil in the shade Chocolate. You guys have seen this plenty of times. So I'm going to go ahead and do my huge brow routine. So first I like to go in and line the brows, and then we're going to take the other side and start filling in. Right, so we're going to ignore the muffling in the background because someone's decided to put the TV super loud. So we're just going to ignore that, or listen as you please. I don't know. But this is going to come off. Those have served their duty. I'm just going to blend in whatever's left on the under eyes. We're going to go ahead and go with a little cocktail here, both from Covergirl. We have two of their face primers. The first one is their, well, both of them are from their Trublend Skin Enhancer line. We have their luminizer in Jelly Opal Glow. So we do need a little bit of shimmer in the face to give us that like glow from within. And then we also have their sticky grip. So I'm going to go ahead and take this first. The Glowy Opal. Go ahead and take my Juicy Couture little brush. This is actually the one that I used last time to blend my glowy products, and it worked amazing. So we're going to use it again. Oh, this is nice and hydrating as well. So I'm just going to blend it all over the face. You see how pretty that looks? Okay, girl. Yes. This one really nice, and it doesn't leave like any glimmers or shimmers on the face. It just gives you that nice like natural glow from within look, which is perfect. It's also a little bit hydrating, which is great again for the heat. So it's so good. I would recommend you can blend it out with your hands, but with the brush it just feels nice. Okay, we're going to take some of the sticky grip as well because we do want this to last throughout the day. I'm going to take some on my finger and throw it in the T-zone area. Those are the areas where I get the most oily throughout the day, so I really want, you know, to get in there. I'm probably just going to use the same brush. Why not mesh it in there? Right now we're going to take this one. It's an oldie but goodie. Don't really use it a lot. I was going to go in with my fave elf Camo CC cream because I know that will last me throughout the day. I'm going to try this one because this is Iowa Studio Satin Foundation Drops. This one's a really good one as well from Shop Miss A. So we're going to do this one for today because it is very lightweight compared to my CC creams, a little more full coverage, but we want something that's lightweight, that's not heavy on the skin. So we have these, and I'm not sure what the shade is, probably like beige or something. But this is definitely lightweight, it's buildable coverage, long wearing, and it's a natural finish. So it's exactly what we want. Looks like so. It does come with a dropper. The dropper doesn't really work for me, so I'm just going to take that and spread it on the face. I'm gonna take my sponge and start blending this out. This sponge is also from the DIMOT website. Just blend this out. You see how pretty the coverage is, and it's so lightweight, girl. So there's a close-up at the base. You see how you could still see the glow from within look with this, and it's also just serving to give you a little bit of coverage. And if you don't like coverage all over the face, maybe you can use this to like spot conceal if you want. It's really good. We're gonna take some cream products because I do really believe if you put cream products under your powder, it's gonna last longer. So we're gonna go ahead and do that because why not? We have the Cheeky Dip from W7. This is from Five Below. Comes with a little sponge applicator. Yeah, I feel like when it's hot and your makeup is melting, the cream product is still underneath your powders when those powders do decide to disappear. So I like to double duty, girl. And this one is in the shade Fierce. Also, a lot of people tend to just go in with cream products overall instead of powder. Do you, girl? I'm gonna take my Milk Makeup brush and start blending this in. Did have to switch my brushes out, girl, because they were out of control. To make it a habit to start washing my brushes. Just patting this out. It's just giving us a little bit of color. It's blending out really easily as well. Next, we're gonna take my Milk Makeup blush. This one's their Cooling Water Jelly Tint in the shade Fresh. It was one of their newer shades they added to their collection. So we're gonna go ahead and take this. These are perfect for summertime because they are hydrating, but they're also like a tint, so they're not gonna go away. This is the specific brush that you're supposed to use with these blushes as well. And girl, look at that shade. Just be careful not to get on your hands because they do sting because they're tints. So that's why I just go in with the product directly on the face. And just FYI, if you happen to see these in store, definitely check out the color on the inside because it does not always match the packaging. So definitely remember that, girl. These were kindly sent to me from Milk Makeup. Thank you so much. They are really nice, girl. Yes. You can also use this on your lips, and you can use it as blush. It has like multiple uses as well as other products and as all makeup, but these are really cute. So definitely check these out, girl, especially in the summer. Yes. And then this one was part of my full face Temu dupe video that I did recently. This is the DIMOT Vibrant Shine Highlight. You guys saw this in action. It's like a dupe for, I believe it's like Benefit highlight. So I'm just taking that. So like very nice and lightweight. I'll take this one every single day. It's just like cutesy, you know. So I'll like interchange products every now and then. Okay, so I'm gonna blend out the cheeks a little bit because they're a little bright. Okay. So far I can just like leave everything as is if I wanted to. Just pop on some lashes, lips, you know, fix the brows a little bit, but this is what we're looking like so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my concealers. I cannot go anywhere without concealer, girl. We have the LA Colors Conceal Correct in the shade Peach. Love this, especially as I have not been able to sleep, girl. So we want to conceal those under eyes, give us a little bit of help with that. And for the actual concealer, we're taking the Believe Beauty. This is from Dollar Tree. This is their You're Covered Liquid Concealer in the shade Fawn. You guys saw this when I hauled. I thought it was a gloss, but it's a concealer and it's actually a really good one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this over top, the color corrector, and I'm gonna take my sponge and just start blending this out. And you know, I know there's women out there that a like easy look would be just a little bit of like tint, blush tint on the lips, on the cheeks, and you know, a little bit of fluff on the brows, add mascara, and you're done. I'm very like full coverage. If I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna go full throttle. So this is me tempering my makeup down a little bit, you know, for this look. But It's just you do your routine, whatever feels good for you, do it. But for a lot of people, this will be too much makeup. For me, I just love it. I love it. So even in the summer, I want to look glam, girl. I mentioned this in a past video, but I did purchase the Charlotte Tilbury Soulmates Face Palette. This is a Pillow Talk Flawless Pink one. So this is so cute, girl. So this comes with a blush and it comes with a powder. So we're going to take the powder for our under eyes today. I'm not going to do any face powder because you guys will see why. But I'm just going to take that on the face, maybe just the T-zone area. Not setting the face because that's where everything kind of goes downhill, especially when it is really hot, especially in my room. You guys have seen the meltdown that it causes. So for me, we're not doing any powder all over the face, but we are doing it just the T-zone area because that's where I do get oily. But don't put powder where you don't need it, especially if you're an oily girl, because it will come off. Just a little bit on the nose. With this heat, it's unpredictable, so love that. We're gonna go ahead and set the face products. So I'm gonna take this clarifying pressed powder. This is from the Dollar Tree in the shade, no idea, but we're gonna take this to set the bronzer. Just set that a little bit. Again, this is just precaution so it doesn't fade throughout the day. Just setting the cream powders as well. For highlight, we're taking my oldie but goodie SHEGLAM Moonside highlight. You guys have seen this a dozen times. In the shade Moon Rose. Really nice, girl. Yes. I'm gonna have to repurchase this, girl. It's like getting old, but it's so good. I'm also gonna go ahead and take the blush from the Charlotte Tilbury set. You guys know I love drugstore makeup here on my channel, so you don't have to go out and buy this. This is just what I happen to have right now. But you don't have to use this on a daily basis. You know, if you don't have it, use whatever you have. But I've been meaning to bring this out again and use it. Girl, this blush is stunning. We're gonna refrain from putting blush on the nose because again, I do get a lot of breakage on that area easily. So we're just gonna not do that, but the blush, girl, yes. Brows are not really giving today, but whatever, it is what it is. We have the Revolution Laminate Brow Fixer to set these brows down, girl. I just went ahead and added a little more structure to them because with all the powders and everything, they get a little, like, you know, messed up. But we're gonna go ahead and take this and make sure that it's set down so they do not move throughout the day. Take my powder brush. I have not used this one. It has like no product on there. I'm just gonna use that to kind of temper down the blush and the powders on the face because they're looking a little wild. I don't want it to be too crazy. Let's go ahead and do lips. We want juicy lips. I'm also gonna go in with a lip liner that I trust. The JK Beauty Auto Lip Liner, Roll It Up Auto Lip Liner in the shade Brown. A tried and true. I don't think, well, let's go in with this first. Okay, next I'm gonna take my Too Faced Melted Matte. Girl, this is a fave. If it were up to me, I would just do liquid lipstick, but girl, in the summer, it's already dry outside. You don't need dry lips, girl. So we're gonna add a gloss. All right, and for the juiciness, we're gonna take the Perfect in Pink lip oil. This is from Bath and Body Works. So we're gonna take this. I love the long doe foot applicator. And go on. Just to give a little bit of hydration. Cute. And it's also perfect just to have on the go with you in your purse if you wanted. It's just a really pretty lip oil that offers a little bit of color to the lips as well. So if you wanted to use it over something like I did or alone, it's perfect. So yes, I did bring along some eyelashes. I wouldn't necessarily go in with these every single day. You guys know my faves are from Ebony York, but I wanted to try these out for today since we're doing more of a wearable something. You want something light, nothing heavy, nothing crazy or big. So I decided to go with this style here. These are the Wispy Cat Eye Tiger lashes from the Ione line. So we're gonna go ahead and pop these on. I'm not gonna do Should we do liner? Liner is my signature and I feel weird not doing it. I'm not gonna do lower lash line liner though, or shadow. You could if you wanted to, I guess, but I'm not gonna go in with shadow today. I'm not feeling it. So we're gonna do a wing. I'm gonna try not to go crazy with it because I do want this to be nice and light and I want to see the lashes. So I'm gonna take my LA Colors eye marker and go ahead and create a wing. And we're gonna try to keep this nice and natural, calm vibes, okay? That's enough. I'm gonna stop before it gets any crazier. I'm gonna take my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Setting Spray. This is amazing for the summer, especially if you like that glow from within look. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this on the face before we do mascara. Love. So to ensure a little bit of longevity to this face, I'm going to take the Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray, my fave, another fave, and this is just going to lock in everything as well. So for mascara, we're going to take the Ione Cosmetics one. This is the Lengthening Mascara with Fibers. So cute. Love the little lashes on the packaging. We're going to go ahead and take this on the upper and lower lashes, especially the inner corner lashes. So we are like using some more of a natural lash. I do really want to pack on the mascara. Okay, we're gonna go in with the lashes. So this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. I really love the lashes. They're really nice and natural. The wing actually turned out really nice and natural as well, as natural as I can get it. But the face, girl, it's looking so good. And honestly, like in my room, it's like, it's hot in here, girl. But I don't feel like my makeup's gonna melt off because of all the setting of the T-zone area, as well as just the glowiness, kind of like, you know, it's just really good. It's taking over. It's giving me summer. It's giving me glowy. I'm ready to go outside and not melt off. But also everything feels really nice and lightweight, not super powdered, not super heavy. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And the products that I use, girl, everything worked out so nicely. The only thing that's kind of weirding me out are the brows. I just feel like they're not looking the same. They're more cousin than sisters, but everything else looks so good. Let me know your thoughts down below. What is your go-to product in the summertime? Like, what works for you? What products do you know are not going to let you down in this summer heat? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.